Lithium is a strategic chemical element critical to modern technology, energy transition, and national security. The term is derived from the Greek word lithos, meaning stone. It is the lightest metal and the least dense solid element under standard conditions. It does not occur freely in nature due to its high reactivity. With rising demand for electric vehicles, renewable energy storage, nuclear technology, and advanced electronics, it has become central to global industrial, geopolitical, and environmental discussion and thus called white gold. Lithium, symbol Li and atomic number is 3, is a soft, silvery white alkali metal known for its extremely low density, high reactivity, and strong electrochemical potential. It corrodes rapidly in air, is highly flammable, and must be stored in inert conditions such as mineral oil or vacuum. Lithium occurs primarily in magmatic minerals like spodumene and petalite and in saline brines due to its high solubility. It is extracted mainly through electrolysis of lithium chloride and potassium chloride mixtures or through brine evaporation and emerging direct lithium extraction technologies. Lithium sources. Lithium originates from pegmatitic crystallization and brine enrichment, determining extraction technology, grade, and environmental footprint. Major sources of the lithium are given as below. Spodumene, the most commercially important lithium mineral containing high lithium oxide content, widely mined in Australia, China, and Africa. Petalite, a lithium aluminium silicate mineral historically used for lithium extraction, particularly in glass and ceramics industries. Lepidolite, a lithium-rich mica mineral containing lithium within seed silicate structures, now less preferred due to processing complexity. Hectorite clay, a lithium-bearing clay mineral under development in the United States, representing non-traditional lithium resources. Brine lithium, dissolved lithium ions in salt flats and geothermal brines extracted through evaporation or direct lithium extraction process. Geological enrichment. Lithium concentrates in residual molten magma phases, making late-stage pegmatites exceptionally lithium-rich. Lithium applications. Lithium's unique physical and chemical properties enable its use across energy, industry, medicine, defense, and nuclear technologies. Its application has been listed below. Rechargeable batteries. Over 75% of global lithium is consumed by lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles, mobile devices, laptops, and grid storage. Energy density advantage. Lithium-ion batteries deliver about 3 volts per cell, significantly higher than lead-acid or zinc-carbon alternatives. Lightweight alloys. Aluminum-lithium alloys reduce aircraft and train weight while improving strength used in aerospace and high-speed transport. Ceramics and glass. Lithium oxide lowers melting points, improves thermal shock resistance, and enhances durability of glassware and ovenware. Lubricating greases. Lithium stearate-based gases provide high temperature stability, accounting for the third largest lithium application. Nuclear applications. Lithium-6 produces tritium for fusion reactions, while lithium-7 is used in nuclear reactor coolants and molten salt reactors. Medical use. Lithium salt acts as mood stabilizer in bipolar disorder treatment through requiring controlled dosage due to toxicity risk. Lithium distribution in India. Lithium occurrence in India has historically been limited, but recent exploration has significantly altered India's resource outlook. The map for the distribution of lithium across India has been attached below. Riyasi District Discovery. Geological Survey of India established inferred lithium resources of 5.9 million tons in Salal, Haimana area of Riyasi District, Jammu and Kashmir in 2023. Exploration status. The Riyasi discovery is at preliminary G3 exploration stage, indicating geological potential but requiring detailed drilling and feasibility assessments. Earlier limited funds. Small lithium occurrences were earlier reported in Mandya district of Karnataka but not at commercial scale. Regulation. Lithium is notified as a critical and strategic mineral under the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Act 2023. Import dependence context. India imported lithium and lithium-ion batteries worth Rs 8,900 crore in financial year 21 and rising to 13,800 crore in financial year 22, highlighting supply vulnerability. Lithium distribution in the world. Global lithium resources are unevenly distributed, concentrated in select geological settings across continents. The map for the distribution of lithium across the world has been attached below. Global reserves scale. Identified global lithium reserves are estimated around 30 million tons with total resources exceeding 116 million tons. Lithium triangle dominance. Argentina, Bolivia and Chile together host over 75% of known lithium reserves, forming the lithium triangle. Largest reserve holder. Chile possesses the largest confirmed reserve at approximately 9.3 million tons, followed by Australia, Argentina and China. Production leadership. Australia is the world's largest lithium producer, accounting for about 52% of global production, mainly from hard rock spodumene. Major brine deposits. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia holds about 5.4 million tons of lithium, one of the largest single reserve bases globally. Emerging regions. Significant deposits are reported in Afghanistan, Cornwall, UK, Germany's Altmark Basin, Nevada's McDermid Caldera and Arkansas brines. Lithium recent developments. Recent years have transformed lithium into a geopolitical, environmental and technological focal point worldwide. Demand projections. Lithium demand is projected to reach 1.5 million tons LCE by 2025 and over 3 million tons by 2030. Extraction innovation. Direct lithium extraction technologies are being developed to reduce land use, water consumption and processing time. India's strategic shift. India joined the Mineral Security Partnership and strengthened overseas exploration through Kabul to secure lithium supply chains. Environmental concerns. Lithium extraction consumes about 1.9 million liters of water per ton in arid regions, raising ecological sustainability issues. Critical mineral status. Governments globally classify lithium as critical due to supply concentration risk and its role in clean energy transition.